Well, good morning, YouTube. Or good afternoon, YouTube. YouTube people. People of YouTube. People of the internet. Welcome. Also addicts. So what are we up to today? You can see I'm in the landy. And what we've got, some of you may know, or may not know, the door locks on this and the door handle are a bit interesting. The driver's door lock doesn't lock on the remote locking. You have to manually come in and push the button down. The passenger front door doesn't unlock. So you have to come in and manually pull the button up. The passenger door also, you can't open it from the inside. You can only open it from the outside. So passengers have to roll the window down and open it from the outside, which is not ideal. So today we're going to try and rectify it. So first things first, figure out how to take this off. There's no screws around the edge, so it's going to be clips, which means some are bound to break. Screw there, speaker screws. Looks to be anything in there. Screw there. Screw there. So, right, let's get a screwdriver. I don't know if I need to take the speaker out, but I want to have a look at it anyway. But I'm going to need to order some replacements because these ones I think have pretty much had it. This is not going well. Well, that appears to be a bolt. Huh. Oops. How long is this bolt? Alright, so as you can see, you got a solenoid there. It's currently in the unlocked position. If you lock it, you can see it twitch, but it doesn't do anything. Unlock it, nothing. So if I lock it manually, you can see there, lock it manually. So it's locked, unlock it, that works. So it unlocks, but it won't lock. So I wonder if it's something to do with that. So without it attached to anything, that works fine. So I wonder if it just needs greasing up on the mechanism. Right, so with it now all nicely lubricated up, lock, unlock. Look at that. Sorted, just needed lubing up. So good. Lube this bit up here while I'm at it. Right, that's all lubed, so right, put the door card back on. go, there it is. Get longer screws, bloody hell, there we go. Right, so that bit done. Like so. Screw. Right. Ooh. Try one more time. Lock. Unlock. Cool, cool, cool. Speaker back in. Ooh, there's a penny attached. Right. So, right, other side. Alright, it's the same on this side. This one's got an aftermarket Pioneer splinter, but same thing. I will just remove it. Oh, and one screw is off. But, yeah, it's the same thing. Unscrew this, screw there, 2 bolts on there. Armrest, 2 10mm bolts, 10mm there, 10mm there. Phillips screw, load of Phillips screws, unclip, and then we'll go from there. So, let's have a look. I've lubed this one up, same as the other. So, there we are. Lock. Unlock, good. But the big question, I've adjusted this over a bit more, pull a bit more on the cable. Will it let me out? No is the answer. Am I unlocked? Yes. Ah, because I hadn't unlocked it. All right. Okay. Lock. Unlock. It's not quite unlocking. Right. Try a bit more. So the final thing, right, I've adjusted the door handle over a bit to pull on that cable a bit more. I've bored out these holes to pull the solenoid over a bit more, but I think the solenoid is just too weak. I've lubed up all of the linkage, made any adjustments that were available, which aren't a lot, and it does now lock and unlock like so. But if I lock the door, lock it, unlock it, if you look down there, door handle still doesn't work. But if I just lift this up, just that last little bit, it works. So it just won't quite pull it further in, and it doesn't matter if I move that over, it seems to go in and then just bounce back ever so slightly. It's just, I just don't think this solenoid is strong enough anymore. Look. Bounces in and bounces back out again, and you just need to lift it back up that little bit there. So for now I'm going to put it all back together. I'm not too worried about a solenoid, you know, at least the passenger can get out now. Maybe worry about it at a later date. I probably ought to buy some more fixing tabs as well, but anyway. So here we are, that's all back together. Not quite as good as I'd hoped, but hey ho. So lock, unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock, and lock, unlock. So all the doors now lock and unlock. So the only thing we've got is this still, you just have to lift that up a little bit more. So it just, it's down like that, so it won't quite open. You just have to lift that up a little bit more to open it. But it's an improvement and it'll do. So I'm now going in for a drink, have a bath. Look how dirty I got. Look, I'm getting dirty. And yeah, just a quick one this time, just a little job on the landy, but these little jobs need doing. And next time I think we'll probably be back with a pizza. So I'll see you then. Ta-da.